So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix access is denied on your ZArchiver. I made a video like this previously showing how to fix this issue, but people did not actually get the solution properly. So I'm going to make a part 2 of the video, which is this one, showing you guys how to fix this access is denied. I've actually watched a lot of videos and did a lot of research to find out a way on how to fix this access is denied, because sometimes even after clearing the cache and stopping the app, doing all of that, the issue is still going to persist. You are going to still continue seeing this error. So in order for you to fix this issue, now if you go to your ZArchiver like this and click on Android and then click on data like this and click on any of the file here, you're going to see access is denied. So the solution I figured out in order to solve this problem, since ZArchiver is actually a file manager, if you go to your Play Store as well and search for file like this and click on file like this, looking here you can see this one here. You need to go ahead and click on this one. So if you open it like this and click on Android, now in your case, if you open it, they might ask you to allow the app to access your device, so you need to go ahead and allow it. So right here you can see Android. If you click on Android and then go ahead and click on data just as you did on your ZArchiver and click on any of the file here, you can see that you can open the files in this file right here, so you can see it. So this is how simple it is to fix the problem. I've tried a lot of other ways by clearing the app cache, clearing the app data, for stopping the app, restarting your device, connecting it to Shizuku and all that, but it does not actually work. So this is the only way you can fix this problem for now, by using this other app, which is the alternative. Since your ZArchiver is currently restricted by Android security system updates, this folder app from your Google Play Store is the best and legal safe way to access those files without needing to root your device or doing any illegal thing with your device. Alright, we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell, share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.